Good morning, my beautiful red bicycle. Let's ride today. You are my favorite bicycle. We always have fun together.
Good morning, Leo. You are up very early today.
Watch this, Dad. I can ride in circles.
Ah!
Why did you take a picture, Dad?
Oh, just a picture.
Mom, what are you making?
I am making delicious pancakes.
I finally posted it online.
Good, hopefully someone buys it.
What did you post, Dad? What are you selling?
Oh, it is nothing important, Leo. Go wash your hands.
Dad is definitely acting very strange today. Why is that? Maybe I can find out what is actually going on. Let's see what Dad was doing on his phone earlier. What is this? This cannot be real. Oh no.
Look at this listing. Red children's bicycle for sale.
Why is Dad selling my favorite bicycle? This is terrible. That is definitely my bicycle. It even has my sticker. Why would Dad do something like that to me? Why?
Yes, someone is highly interested in buying the red bicycle.
We can arrange the pickup tomorrow afternoon. That sounds perfect.
Dad is really selling my bicycle. This is the worst. Dad wants to sell you. I cannot believe this is happening. Why are you so sad, Leo? Dad is selling my bicycle. Are you really sure about that? Yes, I saw the advertisement.
It is looking so much better already after a quick wipe.
He is preparing it for sale. My heart is completely broken.
Perfect. The tires are fully pumped and ready to roll.
He really means to sell it. There is no hope left.
Look at this perfect one.
Wow, this is truly amazing.
They are talking about my bike again. This is so sneaky.
Leo will absolutely love it.
I think so too, honey.
Love what? Why would I love you selling my favorite bike? Nobody asked me how I felt. They just did it.
This is a very nice bike. Thank you so much.
The buyer is here. Oh no, this is really bad.
Everything looks great on this bicycle.
It certainly does, sir.
This is so bad. He is really going to buy it.
I will think about it and let you know. Perfect.
The buyer came today. Oh no, this is terrible news. Maybe Dad has a good reason. I do not care. It is my bicycle. Nobody has the right to sell it.
Let's make sure it is just a little bit bigger.
Bigger? What is he talking about? What is bigger?
Yes! Please ship the beautiful blue one as soon as possible.
The blue one? What blue one is he ordering now?
Did you actually order it already?
Yes, I did, honey.
What did they order? Why is everyone keeping secrets from me? Nobody ever tells me anything anymore. I feel so alone. No! Dad is loading my bicycle! This cannot be happening!
Be very careful not to scratch the paint on this.
Dad really sold my bicycle. It is gone forever now. Dad sold my favorite bicycle. He really, truly sold it. Are you okay, Leo? No, I am definitely not okay. Dad did not even bother to ask me first. Why?
Everything is completely ready now.
That is absolutely perfect, honey.
They seem so happy downstairs. Why is everyone so happy?
Leo, please come downstairs for a moment. We are waiting.
Okay, I am coming down right now. What is it?
How was your day today, buddy?
It was not good.
What is wrong, Leo?
You already know what is wrong. Why did you sell my favorite bicycle? Why, Dad? No.
What are you talking about? Did you say sell?
I saw everything. You put my bicycle in the truck. It was my absolute favorite bicycle in the whole world.
Oh, my sweet buddy. Now I completely understand everything. Please come with me to the garage right now, Leo.
Why are we here in the garage?
You will see.
What is that big thing under the blue cover?
Look. It is a special surprise just for you, my buddy. Are you ready to see your brand new surprise?
Wow! This is absolutely incredible! Look at that bike! Is that beautiful new blue bicycle actually for me, Dad?
Yes, because you are getting so much bigger now, buddy.
You sold my old red bicycle just to get this?
Yes. I wanted to surprise you and never hurt you.
I'm sorry, Dad. This is the best bicycle ever! Have fun, sweetheart! We love you, Leo!